Okay, so here's the Cessna 182, piloted by Harry, of course.
It eventually
got busy.
It eventually
grows.
love to fly.
The guy not flying is getting himself overworked.
Yeah, it did.
Your bus, you just don't. You don't want to do that.
Really hard to see today. So bright.
I can't say. I won't say that it's unsafe. Here's the thing. Profile. You can't get really behind it with that airplane. If you do, you have to go around. With a Boeing, you can get it back down and you can fix it. You know what I mean? If you're, let's say you get high and fast, the controller gives you bad vectors and stuff. With an Airbus, you gotta go around.
I'm pretty sure you're in frame, but I cannot see you.
Turn the landing light on.
Oh, that'll help right there. Landing light.
Profiles on this thing. Gear down over speed. The first thing you hear on the tape is he goes gear down. You're you know what that is? That's overspeed warning on the gear. Yeah, the gear will not go down on an airplane.
Lower.
There's a solenoid in there that basically the computer sends a speed signal to. If it's over speed, it will not open that valve.
It's really a pretty flyer. Okay, here comes the low inverted pass. Edgar! Edgar! Your mouth!
They were right on the center line.
We're shooting a video, knucklehead.
Can you delete that?
I'm gonna delete you in a second with a rock.
I must stay up high enough to turn it for half lap. Takeoff, it really climbed.
Got any down trim on your flaps?
I'm gonna find out. Half laps.
It stayed about the same. Oh, it's climbing a little. There you go, slow down.
That's great.
Very nice. Keep your flaps down.
Landing.
Gear up. I hit my gear. I'll see him settle.
Sure hope I got video. It's more to see.
And I couldn't keep up to him anymore. You believe they made those things out of wood? Inside,
Balsa, they did glue. Balsa glue.
There he is, proud pilot. Nice job.